How to see Wi-Fi password on Android phone. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Wi-Fi and Network. And then click on Wi-Fi. Simply click on the Wi-Fi you want to see password of, or simply go to Save Networks on bottom. And then search for the one you want. And then you'll find share option. You need to add your lock screen password, and your password will be visible in two ways. One way is QR code and another is simply Wi-Fi password. This is how to see Wi-Fi password on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.